Hello everyone and welcome back again. So today I'm going to be making chin chin. Chin chin is one of the easiest snack to make. So guys, thank you for coming along to watch my video. I really do appreciate. God bless. So I'm going to be introducing the ingredients that I use, and here is 2 spoons of butter, 2 spoons of sugar, 2 eggs, and I have a spoon of baking powder, and I have 2 spoons of vanilla extract. I love the taste. And I have a spoon of pink salt, Himalayan salt. So these 6 ingredients are what I used for the chin chin. Now I have all-purpose flour, 2 cups in a sieve. So I have to sieve out the raw flour parts so that it will be easier for me. I just added the baking powder and the sugar. So now I'm mixing the dry ingredients together. Now I'm going to be adding my butter, the egg, the vanilla extract, the salt, and I'm working everything together. I'm mixing it with the pastry blender. Now that it has begun to form into dough, I'm going to be using my hands to complete the other part of it. So I have to scrape out what is left on the blender, and I have to use my hands to complete the dough. Now that the dough is formed, I'm going to wrap it and put it away to sit for about 20 minutes. So in my work surface, I'm going to use my chopping board. I dusted the board with a flour so that the dough will not stick too much on the board. I'm going to work on it, split it in parts so I can easily work on each part. This is not too much of chin chin, it's just a little quantity, because before the end of the video I will tell you guys my purpose of making this chin chin. So I'm going to roll it. One other thing about chin chin is that it doesn't matter how smooth it is or the size that you cut it. As soon as it gets into the oil, it comes out into the chin chin or the snack that you want. It doesn't matter if the rolling is smooth or not, or if the cutting is equal or not. Even when they stick together, as soon as it gets into the oil, into the red hot oil, they all become single. That is one good thing about chin chin. It's not like making bread. Bread is more complicated because you have to knead and knead the dough. So this is what you are going to be doing until you finish cutting all your dough. As soon as you finish cutting all your doughs, it's time to start frying. You see how all the doughs are stick together, but as soon as it gets into the oil, they are all going to become single. Make sure you fry on a medium heat. Not very hot, not very low, but a medium, so that it will be cooked down inside the dough. So this is the second one I am frying, and this is where I decided to make the chin. You see how the oil is foaming? It is foaming because I added too much of butter. So when you see your oil foam like that, you know your butter is too much, and you have to be very careful because it could be disastrous. So this is the chin and it is ready. So thank you all for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.